Hey, hello everyone. Thank you for watching my videos. Uh, I all request you to go through my uh, three previous videos on the same topic, and I will give that link in the description. Then try to watch this one as well to understand the things better. Okay, now so far we have discussed till how that pricing calculates till that KWRT condition basis. Now let's continue from where we left in our previous video. Okay, now the code trying to determine the KWERT, that is condition value. Here we can see that if the pricing type is not equal to E, and that KPOSN KINAC is inactivity reasons, and KSTEU, that is a condition control. If this condition is satisfied, then it will go inside. And you see here in the line number 1048, there is one perform getting called to calculate the KWERT value. And this will be called whenever there are two conditions here. If condition type is available, then one perform will be called. If it is not, then another perform will be called. So this perform is to getting called whenever the condition type is blank, right? So in the pricing procedure, whenever the net value, gross weight, total tax, in those cases there won't be any condition type determined, right? So in those cases this perform will be called. In other cases, the above perform, sorry. So in other cases, this perform will be called. Line number 1084. So after that, this is the formula which will calculate that KWERT. So KWERT equal to KWRT condition basis multiplied by condition amount XKB ETR. That is passing to the one variable ARB field. Later, this ARB field will be updated to XKOMB KWERT. Suppose if in the pricing procedure any routine has been assigned in that alternative uh, condition value calculation formula has been assigned, then again the routine will be called, and the pricing will be done as per that routine, the logic. You see here KOFRM. So far we have seen two routines, KOFRA, KOFRS. KOFRA for condition basis routine, KOFRS for scale basis routine. Now it is KOFRM for alternative calculation type for condition value. So here also same thing happening, and we're calling this perform and calculating that condition value and updating to XKOMB KWERT. Same after that, same thing happened to update the condition update in the same perform 1253 line number, what we have seen in case of KWRT as well. So once this and all done, then system try to update KOMP NETWR, that is the net value, and tax amount, the field is MWSBP, and one variable ZWISU. If XKOM KINAC is not contains AKLMXZ, I think we have seen this in KINAC field in that initial of that loop. There they have mentioned same thing has been mentioned here as well. So and now the case running based on that condition category. If the condition category is B, that is a base price, then it's verifying some logic. KPOS is not equal to 0. Then the KWERT, the condition value is getting passed to ZWISU. If the KINAC value is Y, then that is passing to ZWISU. After that, the same value is getting passed to net value when the statistical, if it is not a statistical,